There are two types of compounds, mainly ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Okay, what do you call ionic compounds and covalent compounds? Ionic compounds are formed by the positive and negative ions with a combination of positive and negative ions. But the covalent compounds are formed by sharing electrons between the atoms. Therefore, the formation of ionic compounds and covalent compounds are different each other. Then, if we are going to study how the ionic compounds are formed, so I can explain such as if we consider the lithium atom, it has 3 electrons with the configuration 1s2, 2s1. Second energy level has 1 electron at the outermost s orbital. So it is unstable configuration. Outermost energy level has not filled. The outermost energy level is 1s2. To be stable, lithium removes 2s1 electron from the atom. So, after the removal of 1 electron by the lithium atom, now it has only 2 electrons. But you know that nothing happened to the protons in the nucleus. So it has 3 protons because we know that all the atoms are having equal number of protons and electrons. So after the removal of 1 electron by the lithium atom, now it has 3 protons or positive charges, 2 electrons or negative charges. Then if we consider the total atom, it has positive charge due to the presence of excess positively charged 1 proton, thus formed Li plus or lithium positive ion. Right? If we consider fluorine atom, it has 9 electrons altogether. So the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5. 2s2, 2p, 5. Second energy level has s2 and p5 altogether 7 electrons. To be completed the octet, it needs 1 electron. So helium gains an electron to gain the stable configuration such as 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. After the gaining of an electron, what was happened to the fluorine atom? Now it has 10 electrons, but number of protons is 9. So it has an excess electron or negative charge. thus forms a negatively charged ion. So it is clear that due to the removal of electrons, as a result, positive ions are formed. Due to the gaining of an electron, as a result, negative ions are formed. If we consider lithium atom is given an electron to fluorine, that means fluorine gains an electron. Okay, thus forms Li plus positive ion and F minus negative ion. After the formation of negative and positive ions, they attracted each other. They attracted each other, forming an ionic compound, LiF. This is the compound lithium fluoride. So it is an ionic compound. I explained you a little of the ionic compounds. So later I will explain more about the formation of ionic compounds. If you want to combine with me, so you can subscribe my channel.